So, si Nashira Online Shop, isa po siya sa competitor natin sa umbrella. So, yung mabenta sa kanyang umbrella is yung automatic umbrella with pre-name with 10K sold and ang pinakamababang presyo niya po is 150. Then, next naman po is yung J-Handle umbrella with logo po with 3K sold wholesale options po. Then, yung third naman po is yung customized golf automatic umbrella with 10K sold at ang kilalang brand inspired style and mas premium daw yung dating ng umbrella. So ano ba pwede nating ma-adapt sa pagbebenta niya ng umbrella is unang-una yung paglalagay ng free logo layout, pre-name, and no minimum order. Then, pwede tayong gumamit ng white background, malaking sample print. Yung price and promo dapat visible agad. Then, gumawa tayo ng listing per umbrella type. Like, katulad ng ginawa niya, per listing yung umbrella niya na automatic umbrella, golf umbrella, J-handle umbrella, and three-fold umbrella. Yun lang po.